Hello, guys. Good afternoon, everyone. This is the 2nd of May, and we will talk about the price action and some of the trades that we took on the Discord server here right now. This was a 9:30 candle, and as I mentioned right in the morning that we were in this bullish channel. If you go to the hourly chart also, you will find this bullish channel was existing in the morning. And when we started, I said that okay, we are at the near the top of the bullish channel, so bulls beware of here and something may happen. And then we had a very strong bar one. We got a follow through. I am missing the 20 EMA on my chart. Let me bring it quickly. Yeah, and we strongly closed below 20 EMA. We got a follow through. I started shorting somewhere in here. Everyone in Discord started shorting for somewhere in here. This was our first leg down where we took some profit around the 50-60 area. That was the first target, and then we had a little profit taking candle here, and again got rejected at 65. We shorted in this area once again, and our target was around 40, and we got that target. Okay, and how was the target 40? If you take your fibs and if you just take the 50% here, if you take your 50% here right before this drop, this is where we got the 40 line. Yes, till this the pullback. Okay, so that is how we got the 50-40 line, and we could come out of that. So that was one of the measured moves that happened. Now if you remember that 47 to 51 area where we had the bullish body gap on the daily chart, so we are below that at that point of time. But if you look at it, we were right at the low of yesterday when we came and touched 5038, and then this leg went up. We did not do anything here because this was the H1 and I just let it go. And then if you see, we had a two-legged pullback. First leg pullback, second leg, this was a full two-legged pullback that happened. And the gap that got created here, the body gap that got created here, this held. Now I went long above the top of this candle around at 50-60, and we held on. We came out of the trade around some of it were taken out at 50.76, and we took out the rest of the profit at 50.90. Now see what happened here. Look at the reversal attempts. Okay, every time there were reversal attempts, this was a very tight bull channel, or you can say this was a very small pullback bull trend. It was in a bull trend. There were small pullbacks, but the bulls never let it go. Now you see here, this is where the wedge got created. As soon as the wedge got created and we got a signal bar, we waited for L1 to happen. This was our first sell signal. This was our second sell signal, right? If I zoom in here, this candle at 325 was the second sell signal. We sold below it. The first target was the EMA. We closed below the EMA, and then when this candle happened, we all exited. So we started at 9.4. Some profit was taken at 89, and the rest of the profit was taken around the 86 area. So that was all we had today. And then if you look at the channel structure, we know, right, that the first break of channel does not go far. It did not, and then actually went back up. I was hoping for a higher high. Maybe if we had time during the day, it would have happened. However, if we can go above 5100 and maintain that, tomorrow we are looking at much more higher levels, like 5113 to 15 will be next, and then we will look for 5125 to 27, and then the next support is at 38 area. I'll publish all those details on my Facebook post later tonight, but for now, yeah, this was the price action that we had for the day. See you guys again tomorrow. Happy trading. Bye.